Ever lost your WhatsApp messages after switching phones? Or accidentally deleted an important chat? What if I told you there's a simple way to back up your chats and never lose them again? In this video, I'll show you how to back up WhatsApp messages on Android and iPhone, step by step. I'll reveal the best settings to keep your backups secure. Part 1. Why you should back up WhatsApp. Before we begin, here's why backing up your chats is important. Prevents data loss, never lose messages, media, or documents. Eases phone switching, transfer chats seamlessly to a new device. Stores media safely, photos, videos, and voice notes stay protected. Now let's jump into the step-by-step process. Part 2. How to back up WhatsApp on Android. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. 1. Unlock your phone and open WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to Settings. 1. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. 2. Select Settings. Step 3. Select Chats. 1. Inside Settings, tap on Chats. Step 4. Tap on Chat Backup. 1. Here, you'll see backup options, including Google Drive Backup. Step 5. Choose a Google account, first time setup. 1. If you haven't set up a backup before, select your Google account for storage. Step 6. Set backup frequency. Daily, weekly, monthly. Only when you tap Backup. Step 7. Tap Backup to start the process. 1. WhatsApp will start backing up your chats and media to Google Drive. 2. Wait for it to finish. The time depends on the size of your data. PRO tip. Want to include videos? Enable Include Videos before backing up. Now, let's see how to do this on iPhone. Part 3. How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. 1. Launch WhatsApp on your iPhone. Step 2. Go to Settings. 1. Tap on Settings at the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select Chats. 1. Tap Chats to open chat settings. Step 4. Tap on Chat Backup. 1. Here, you'll see options to back up your messages. Step 5. Choose Backup Now. 1. This will back up your chats to iCloud. Step 6. Enable Auto Backup, optional. Daily, weekly, monthly. Step 7. Ensure iCloud Backup is enabled. 1. Go to iPhone settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud, greater than iCloud Drive. 2. Ensure WhatsApp is toggled on. That's it. Your WhatsApp messages are now safe in iCloud. Part 4. How to restore WhatsApp messages from backup. Step 1. Install WhatsApp on your new phone. 1. Download WhatsApp from the App Store or Play Store. Step 2. Verify your phone number. 1. Open WhatsApp and enter your number. Step 3. WhatsApp will detect your backup. 1. WhatsApp will automatically check for an existing backup. Step 4. Tap Restore. 1. Click Restore to bring back all your chats and media. Now, your messages are fully recovered on your new device. Part 5. Best practices for a secure backup. To keep your backups safe, follow these tips. Use a strong password for your Google, iCloud account. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Check backup storage regularly to avoid running out of space. Manually back up important chats before switching phones. With these settings, your messages will always be safe and ready to restore. Final thoughts. Keep your chats safe forever. Backing up your WhatsApp is simple, but it's essential. Android users, use Google Drive Backup. iPhone users, use iCloud Backup. Restoring is easy, just reinstall WhatsApp and tap Restore. Do you back up your WhatsApp chats regularly? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for informational purposes only. WhatsApp backup options may change with updates. Always check the latest settings in your app and ensure your cloud storage is secure.